Alright guys, it's Eli with Top G Solar Cleaning. Just got done burr proofing and cleaning these panels, and everything's looking good. Just taking this video for the customer so he can see that all the corners are blocked off, which they are. Also added spikes. I only use stainless steel, don't use that cheap plastic crap. Everything's clean. I would walk through here, but since it's wet, just don't want to take any chances when you don't have to. Also did the top ridge, all with spikes. So yeah guys, if you guys need any burr proofing or solar panel cleaning, just let me know. Call me at 925-281-3541.